Hi once again, this is Miss A, and today we have a new letter. This is the letter F. Letter F. Can you say the name of the letter again? Good job. So, the letter F makes a blowing sound. The sound of the letter F is. Can you try making the sound of the letter F? So, here are some words that begin with the letter F. Flower. Flower. Your turn. Next, we have fan. Fan. Your turn. Next, we have fish. Fish. Your turn. And last, the number 4. 4. Now, can you think of other words that starts with the letter F? Okay, now it's time to learn how to write the uppercase and the lowercase f. Let's now make the uppercase F. To make the uppercase F, we need a standing line and 2 sleeping lines. Start from the top and then go down. Then you made a standing line. Then from the left, line goes to the right and make another one, left to the right. There you go, you made an uppercase F. Let's do it again. Standing line and 2 sleeping line. 1, 2. That's how you make the uppercase F. Now let's make the lowercase f. The lowercase f also starts here in the upper line. Upper line, middle line, lower line, and the lower or the descending line. So we start here a bit, we go up and curve around and go down. Then we draw a line across like that. Let's do it again. A little bit down the first line, we go up and curve around. In the middle, draw a line. And let's do it one more time. A little bit down here, go up and curve around, go down, and draw a line across like this. That's how you make the lowercase f. So that's it for today. I want you to practice making the sound of the letter F and writing the uppercase and lowercase letter F. Always remember that practice makes progress. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!